All I gotta say is trust the process. Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyways, today's going to be like a maintenance type vlog, and I'm gonna do my hair because it's that time. It's time. I'm probably gonna, I'm definitely changing locations because the heat in here is trying to mimic hell or something. I don't know, and I'm burning up. So I just wanted to get the intro out of the way and stuff. I just did my eyebrows, so I mean, it is what it is. I had to jump on the camera, but oh my goodness, the lighting looks so good. If only it wasn't so hot in here. I'm gonna go hop in the shower in just a second, and then I move to the living room to straighten it because I'm gonna open up that window. Don't you let out the antidote. Hold on, let me show you the products I think I'm gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna use this hair mask. It's pretty decent. I've used it a few times already. I'm gonna do this Taraji P. Henson scalp wash. Try and get some of that dandruff. Oh, speaking of dandruff. Gonna use this Sulfur 8 and then Selsun Blue. It has spilled, so it's all messy on there. Running out of counter space. And then I'm gonna try these out. I usually use the Aussie brand. It doesn't matter. I just use all their shampoo and conditioner. Tried and true, you know? And it lifts all like the oil and grease that I put in my hair. So that's why I usually like it. But I'm like, I'm gonna give something else a chance. I hope I like it because a lot of shampoo, it makes my hair feel like sticky after using it. And I'm like, that was a point in washing it, but okay, cool. What day is it? It's Tuesday. Why are they doing yard work right now? Oh, I guess they didn't come yesterday because it was raining. That's why it was raining yesterday. But I got Happy Hair People is the brand. I got Yes Curl. Yes Curl. Let me see how it smells first. Oh nice. Okay, I was expecting to like have to lift something up. Glad I don't have to. Let me see. It smells citrusy. Smells like summer. I can't pinpoint what this smells like. Nice chat, nice chat. Okay, it's open now. It was moving too fast down my scalp. Dripping down my neck. Dripping down my neck. Alright, that's probably good on that. I'm probably ODing with that. Oh, now for the hair mask. How long do I have to sit with this? I think it's like 10-15 minutes. Hold on, what is that? Oh, how to use. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse off with shampoo or conditioner. Oh, my natural hair trying to come back already. Check out the ASMR. Get my kitchen. The mask is in. I'm gonna let it sit for those 5 to 10 minutes. Realistically, it's probably gonna be 15 or 20. But in the meantime, I decided to cosplay as Miss Trunchbull. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. Yeah, I'm about to finish straightening my hair. Well, I gotta blow dry it. I just re-washed it like an hour ago. And I've been letting it air dry a little bit because I don't want to be using the blow dryer for a super long time. All I gotta say is trust the process. Alright, so I got it combed out. I'm so tired. I got it combed out and parted, not good parts by any means, but parted in 4 sections. Got the blow dryer hooked up. Or my grease. Oh, it's so messy in here. Grease that I'm going to be using, it's almost gone. And then I'm going to be using, this is like a heat protectant, the Dove Bond Shield. It's a 10-in-1. But yeah, I'm like, this one, I like her. We're almost done with her. Ow. Alright, just finished blow drying. I'm sweating. I had to do it on the cool setting. Yeah, put some of this in. It smells so good. That's why I love this. I just gave up braiding towards the end here. And now I'm gonna go set up in the living room. This is the current setup. I got it on balanced on a chair because I'm in the living room. I gotta be quiet though because Aaliyah's taking a nap. And hold on. Aaliyah's taking a nap and she's not feeling good. Like her cold came back or something.
Binky, that's so cute when you say Binky. You know it's a Binky. What is this? Hi. What are you doing?
It's gonna be a long process, but here's how it starts. One more section to go. It's such a mess in here. We're getting ready to move soon. I'm like, oh, I hate moving. I hate it so much. My kava should be here. They said 8:19. I'm trying to give it a second. I thought they were gonna send a message once they delivered it because I hate that awkward interaction where you open the door, like where y'all at, and then they right there in your face. Ooh. And I like told them like not to ring the bell. I have that taken off almost every website after someone broke our bell one time. I was like, thanks a lot, Rachel. Thanks a lot. Bradley's on his way. Because I was like, they sent, like, after I recorded the last clip, it sent that he was coming. And I'm so ready for my food. I'm like, I want to finish up this section, but I'm like, just eat first. Just eat first. Or at least take a few bites. And then I can enjoy it. My food is here. Look at, I got me some bread. Some pita bread. Oh, that fell off. I would tell you what's all in this, but I kind of forgot. Got some romaine, white rice, saffron white rice, some chicken, the harissa chicken, crazy feta, tzatziki, pickled onion, tomato, cucumber, hot harissa vinaigrette, yogurt dill. And I'm like, yeah. I'm like, it's a big bowl too. I'm debating if I want to keep it like colder or if I want to heat it up. It's pretty good as is, but I like my food set on hell. I forgot I had Poppy in the fridge. Look, Ma, no hands, or look, Ma, one hand. Yeah. I'm missing napkins. Bradley don't care about me. He ain't give me no napkins. My sister doesn't allow paper towels in the house. I'm finally finished. I don't know why this section took so long. I was ready. I was over it. But I'm done. I don't like it necessarily. It's more frizzier than I would ever want it to be. But I'm at the point where I just want to go to bed. I don't even know what time it is. But yes, I'm done. Pose for me, baby. Natalie 9. Oh. It's a fresh haircut, girl. I just took it out of the dryer. Hold on. Let me put this mess on. Where do I want to set up the phone so it doesn't fall? It's about to fall. Anyways. It looks so cute. That last clip, though, made me mad. Pissed me off during Black History Month. Everything is supposed to be right in the world. No minor inconveniences. No